You're never going to get rich working one job. Kung iisa lang ang source of income mo, I'm telling you, you're one paycheck away from being broke. The richest people I know don't rely on just one income stream. They've got businesses, investments, and other hustles. And you should too, huh? Reselling, freelancing, even starting a business on the side. These are the things you can do right now. Ang income mo dapat ay tulad ng isang river or ilog. Dapat patuloy yan na umaagos mula sa iba't ibang sources. What's the lesson? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Humanap ka ng ibang paraan para kumita ng pera. And watch your wealth grow. Because the more income streams you have, the more you're in control.